Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I will show you how you can very quickly, in just a few minutes, clone your own voice with just 1 minute of audio. The process of doing this is pretty easy and straightforward. We just need the platform elevenlabs.io. I will link you the platform in the description. And once we are on Elevenlabs, we simply go to Voices and then on this little plus symbol right here. As you can see, here are a few options. We will quickly go with this one. Okay, as you can see, there are a few instructions over here, and it tells us we need at least 10 seconds of audio from our own voice. 10 seconds can be enough, but I would recommend to at least do 30 seconds or even a minute. Okay, what I will do right now is I will take my phone right here and record myself talking, and then I will upload about a minute of audio from my own voice, and then we will see the result we get from this. Okay guys, so I just finished recording 1 minute of audio on my phone and I just airdropped it to my MacBook. Okay, let's upload it. So as you can see, it's just 1 minute and 6 seconds. And what Elevenlabs asks us now is if we want to remove background noise from audio recordings. So as this is just recorded from my phone, I will say yes. I mean, if you record with a professional microphone or something, you might not need this, but it's good to have the option here. Okay, we click on next. Now it will take a few seconds to a minute or something. All right, that was quick. Now it asks us to give it a name. I will call it just like my real name. Then language, well, it's obviously English. We could add another label here. And a short description. The voice clone of Andrew. Then we need to confirm that we are allowed to use the voice. Then click Save Voice. Yeah, and that's basically it. From here on, we can just go Generate Speech and directly try out the voice. As you can see, it's already selected right here, Andrew. And yeah. We might need to tweak those settings, but let's just try this out. Hello, I am the voice clone of Andrew. How are you? Let's see.
Hello, I am the voice clone of Andrew. How are you?
Yes, you can see this, or as you can hear, it sounds pretty much like my voice. We can tweak this by putting the settings at different values if something sounds off, but in most cases, the default settings give us a good result here. Yeah, and that's basically it. That's how quickly and easily you can clone your own voice in Elevenlabs. As I mentioned earlier, I will link you everything below. All right, and if you have any questions about this process that I showed you right now, or you're just generally interested in AI content creation for social media, then feel free to join my free Skool community. This is what you're seeing on the screen right now. Here's a quick sneak peek inside. We have a great community with many AI content creators inside where you can connect and get answers to your questions, get feedback for your content creation. Then just join below and I will greet you inside. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.